Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries, and this reading is from August 11th to August 20th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Aries, fight sign. Aries, your recent past. 7 of Pentacles, the Hierophant, wow, Ace of Swords. I think you are waiting for some commitment in your relationship, because 7 of Pentacles is investing in this connection and waiting for the result, and you want to commit to this relationship. For some, your person also committed to you. Also there is some new beginning between both of you. I think that waiting is gone, or it is in near future it will be gone. So let's see what is going in your connection right now. Aries, what is going on your connection? The Hermit, see here the Hanged Man. What is going on? 3 of Wands. I think there is no movement between both of you. One person is totally silent right now. For some there is less communication, because I think Hermit, one person is totally in Hermit mode, not taking any action. And the Hanged Man, I think they are stuck, or you could be stuck, thinking spiritually awakening but not taking any action. And the 3 of Wands is waiting. There is waiting. I think you waiting for your person, and your person is also waiting for you. And this could be long distance relationship also. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aries. Six of Swords. Yes, this could be long distance relationship. 3 of Swords, lot of air energy. 10 of Cups. I think your person is heartbroken. 6 of Swords. Think your person want to move calm waters. I think the silent person in this connection is your person. Right now they don't want to communicate because they are emotionally they are in very pain emotionally. And 10 of Cups, yes, they want this happiness, but right now they are in they are heartbroken. And 6 of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. I am getting, you will get some communication from your person. Some communication you will going to be received, because 6 of Swords is also communication card. Ace of Swords. So let's see some more information about your connection from universe. 2 cards only I will take one. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Some justice. You or your person could be Libra also. High Priestess. Trust your intuition. And justice. I think you want second chance with your person, or your person also want second chance with you. And Queen of Swords. I think one person is very straightforward in this connection. If it is your person, if they want equal give and take, if you will give, they will stay, otherwise they will cut them off. Definitely they are in very pain. I am getting same thing. They are in pain. Yeah, 10 of Wands. I think they are very overburdened. I think the one who is putting the effort in this connection, it could be your person, or you. Energy could be vice versa. So who is putting the effort in this connection are feeling very overburdened. That's why they are not taking any action. If they are waiting game going between both of you, they are not taking any action. I think one person, the other person is want second chance in this connection. So who is the second person? It could be depend upon your situation. Definitely trust your intuition. Communication, some communication you will receive from your person, definitely. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.